Hey there, everybody out in YouTube land. Pyro on here. Help us get through this COVID. I decided to start uploading a few collectibles videos every day. Probably would take me hours and hours to do my whole collection in a video, so I figure I'll do like a display case and a shoebox every day, do some shooting videos every day, and see what comes of it. Anyway, let's get going. Start with this little display case first while I learn this YouTube editing. Okay, Anchor, Class 2, old school old man pajamas. Kind of a rare pack here. Minuteman, hard to find. Stars. This one's kind of cool. Sonic Boom by the famous Bango Company. Well, Jensen Hand Chemical Company, actually. Canadian variety here. Checkers, long crackers. This, I've always loved this particular pack. Everybody has Yankee Boy, but check this one out. Are these some awesome logos, or are these some awesome logos? They are made in China, not Macau, but beautiful pack. This is a hard to find one, sometimes, can be. Phoenix Rising, made by the glorious Firecracker Company. I'm going to start going through these fast if I have any hope of getting, through this video. Black Prince. This can be hard to find. I seen just a label get pretty expensive on YouTube, on eBay, excuse me, a few days ago. This is a hard pack to find, especially with this blue wrap. Red Engine, old school. Red crackers inside. It's so old. This pack's got to be coming up on 100+ years old now. Amazing that it still survives. Adam. Buckaroo. Kind of a common pack. Baby Gorilla. Golden Dragon. Had a brick of these rocket candy bars. And believe it or not, I opened it and shot a whole bunch of candy bars off because I thought I'd be able to get another one. And of course I never did. Camel. Funny story behind this particular camel. Word is that they stopped using this particular label because they were getting sued by the tobacco company. And obviously we can see the similarity. Zoo brand logo. Red, white, and blue logo. Jumbo. American Eagle. Cock brand. These are the old man pajamas. Big Bang. Class 2 logo. Roaring Lion. Red Devil. Warrior. Whoopee. This one's actually like has a couple of printing errors on it. Can't really see the crackers from the back, but they're red. This one can actually be hard to find too. Not super hard to find, but hard to find nonetheless. Halco. Okay, let's see if I can get some others done. Champ. Sunbursts. Different size Champ. Here's one that I really like. This Zebra. Love the crackers inside of it. Okay, something interesting. Mammon Box. Warrior box. Full. These are awesome. Let's see, what else? Golden bat. Used to have family members who lit these that are no longer with us, but they actually lit them when they were kids. Let me find something cool. Roaring lion. Look at these 3D stars. Cool, huh? Everybody has one of these. Yikloon Children brand. Old Man Pajamas. This tiger can be very hard to find. And here's why. It's an ICC 16s, but logos. Don't see too many logos. I'll do another one or two. Seahorse. Multicolor logo. Alright, guys. And as some Pyros do, I'll end with a brick and a couple of cool items. Old school booby trap. And some different booby traps inside of it. Different variations. Here's what they look like. These are freaking 2-grainers, believe it or not. They bang like a 2-grain old school cracker. Okay. 100-year-old snake pot from good old New Jersey Fireworks Company. Pretty. And let's end with a couple of DOT bricks. This is still in bubble wrap. I've had it for at least 15 years. Thunder Bomb. 4032. And yes, it's a daisy. Can I get in on it? Let's see. I don't know if you can see, but if you can't, you'll have to take my word. It's a daisy. Yeah, what's this? This one's kind of beat up. These are cool. These are ladyfingers. Multicolor. Pretty cool. Bamboo wrap. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. And definitely more display cases and shoe boxes to come. Have a good one.